Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oziva Glutathione. This powerful supplement is designed to support your skin's radiance and aid in detoxification. For best results, simply take 1 to 2 capsules each day. It's generally recommended to consume them after a meal to enhance absorption. Remember, consistency is super important, so make it a part of your daily routine for several weeks to see the benefits. To get the most out of your Oziva Glutathione, consider the timing. It's often suggested to take your capsules after a substantial meal, like breakfast or lunch. This helps with better absorption and minimizes any potential stomach upset. Always swallow the capsules with a full glass of water or another beverage. Establishing a consistent time each day will help you remember and maintain your routine. Regarding dosage, the general recommendation is 1 to 2 capsules per day. It's always a good idea to start with the lower dose and see how your body responds before incorporating any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications. Please consult with a healthcare professional. Also, remember to store your Oziva Glutathione in a cool, dry place. When using Oziva Glutathione, it's important to set realistic expectations. While some individuals might notice changes sooner, significant improvements in skin radiance and overall well-being typically become apparent after 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Remember that individual results can vary widely, influenced by your diet, lifestyle, and overall health. Patience and consistency are truly key to achieving your desired outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.